Standing up, the act of running is a stressor. And if you don't mount that stress response, we're not going to be able to function in life at the end of the day. However, there's a big difference between acute stress, which is adaptive, and chronic stress, which is harmful. And chronic stress at a direct level impacts every single biological and physiological system in the body.
If I may interject, if you can describe the difference between chronic and regular stress for our viewers, I think that would be very helpful.
So acute stress could be, it'll last for a short period of time. So technically, you could view the stress of a long commute as an acute stressor. But if you do it every day, then that's all of a sudden become a chronic stressor. A deadline, a sporting event, a performance, giving a speech, these are all acute stressors. Difficult relationships, a chronic stressor. Challenges at work, this becomes a chronic stressor. Facing a life-threatening illness, a chronic stressor, interspersed with the acute stress that could be happening. But, thinking about the cancer environment, if you are relatively, well-adjusted and coping well with your cancer, the stress of waiting for your test results that could last 2 or 3 days, that could fall into, more of an acute stressor. It's when your body is constantly being flooded with stress hormones, in particular cortisol and norepinephrine, that becomes harmful.